sir. This is
Hello.
Dr. Afrimpano
Hello,
from
ma'am.
DentistChannel.Online. Can you talk something about your brand and ranges, whatever you have?
Thank you so much, Dentist Channel Online, and you are most welcome at Swadeshi Instrument. Myself, Syed Hussain. I'm the co-founder in this company, and we have entire range of dental surgical instruments. And our manufacturing unit is on Delhi Dehradun Expressway, and corporate office in Bangalore. And we have a good structured channel partner across India. So if you want to know about our quality, like in IDC Mangalore, we are presenting our quality we can start from there. So this is our ortho products, entire range of ortho pliers with the TC tips, tungsten carbide tips, and this is ortho set is here. And these are the prosto instruments like impression trays, and many spatulas are there. And this is our endo instruments range. These are the spoon excavators, and these are the composite filling instruments, burnisher, everything is there. This is our premium signature series of diagnostic instruments. And these are the surgical instrument. You can see here the root elevators and impaction kit, dental cartridge syringe. And these are the extraction tooth forceps. And these are the scissors, Castrovigio scissors, pedo extraction forceps. And this is related to implant, osteotomes, and bone graft instruments, and everything is here. So basically, right now, we are manufacturing another one series. It's called SI Generic. SI Generic is our 100% proudly Indian manufacturing, and it's our in-house production. And we are manufacturing lot of items to the BDS students. As a BDS, you know, that entire kit we are making for our distributor only. And this is our premium signature series. It's called a Crown Co. And into the Crown Co, we have lot of instruments handle patterns like SI. SI stand for Swadeshi instrument. SI Delilah is there, SI anatomical, SI ergonomical, SI Silinox. Like Silinox is the silicone handle. So this series, entire series name is SI Silinox. SI anatomical, SI ergonomical, SI stain finish is there, okay? So everyone is coming here in IDC Mangalore. Everyone is appreciating the quality. They are like the quality, mostly dentists. You can see here, yeah. It's really easy because, you know, as a dentist, you know, into the dental surgical instrument, it's a wide range. These are huge instruments. So what we are thinking at the time of forming that dental mall.in, because there is a lot of department into the dentistry. So according to the department, we just, if you are visiting to the dental mall, you can see diagnostic department is there, and oral maxillofacial surgery is there, endodontic, periodontic, prosthodontic, pedodontic, like this. So we just segregate all department and segregate all entire instrument range. And now you can find easily. If you are a periodontist and you want to buy a periodome, you just go to the dental mall, go to the perio department, and you can easily purchase it. Like for composite filling instrument, if you are an endodontist, you want to purchase a composite filling instrument, you just go to the dental mall and endo department, and you can purchase easily. So it's really easy, handle with easy, and it's really friendly. And one more thing, this is AI friendly. Artificial intelligence, you know, this is really important into the future also. So you can compare the quality, compare the price, everything. So it's really easy, you can purchase it. And one more excited offer is there. If you are purchasing first time, we are giving a surprise gift. And into the surprise gift, we have a specific number 100 to 999, and there is a number wise gift, instrument gift is there, worth 99,999 till. So it's luck by chance, and I'll wish you, if you are purchasing first time, sometime it's happening in our office. Sometime doctors are purchasing. I remember a case, Dr. Sirag sir, I think his name is Dr. Sirag, and he want to purchase only one instrument, I think so, Medilux Medimpla only, SI Medilux Medimpla, that one the instrument. He want to purchase this one only, and it was only 2,500, and he got luckily approximately 10,000 rupees instruments in a surprise gift. So, okay, thank you so much, Dr. Afrin ma'am. Thank you so much, Dentist Channel Online. Give me an opportunity for on your online platform. So, thanks a lot, and we are really happy. Okay, thank you so much.